Meet the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer Pro 4-liter, a revolutionary kitchen appliance that brings healthy and tasty cooking to your fingertips. You can select from a variety of preset cooking modes to perfectly cook whatever's in the basket. Air fry, bake, defrost, or ferment. This Xiaomi Air Fryer Pro 4-liter can do it all. Set it anywhere between 40 degrees and 200 degrees Celsius, so you get an oven, fruit dryer, and even yogurt maker all in one. And every meal can be foolproof too, thanks to the transparent window that allows you to keep an eye on your food without constantly having to open the basket, shortening the cooking time even more. The Xiaomi Air Fryer Pro 4-liter promotes healthy cooking, using less oil, and also comes with a wide range of recipes and cooking recommendations. You can easily set it up with the OLED knob or from the Mi Home app. And of course, it features Google Assistant, so you can use voice control to turn it on with Google Assistant enabled devices. And when it comes to cleaning, it's super quick and easy. The grill rack can be removed and the nonstick basket makes it hassle-free. It's also dishwasher safe for extra convenience. The Xiaomi Air Fryer Pro 4-liter not only elevates your kitchen aesthetic with its sleek and minimalist design, but brings quick, delicious, and convenient cooking right to your fingertips.